Hi everyone, my name is Cass and I've got another quick tutorial for you on Affinity Photo 2. So we're going to create our own presets within Affinity Photo 2. This is really great way for if you have an image and you've gone through all the settings and you like what you see, but you want to kind of reapply the same settings on another photo, then this tutorial is for you. So as you can see on the top right corner, I've already created some presets of my own using obviously within Affinity Photo 2. And I've done few of them because obviously each images, depending on the lighting, the shadows are slightly different to one another. And obviously the image you have taken will look slightly different if it's indoor or an outdoor. So you can create more than one presets. So we'll go through with doing it from the beginning. So just follow those steps with me. You don't have to go through similar settings that I've done in terms of exposure or any other settings. You can apply according to the image that you're using for this tutorial. So obviously, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe for some more upcoming videos. Obviously, in this channel, we'll go through all other stuff as well. This channel is going to be mixed with other softwares that I can use and I can show it to you guys. It doesn't have to be Affinity Photo 2. We can also look at some mobile apps. If you have any suggestions, please make sure to comment section below, and I'm happy to look into that and create a video for you. Now in this tutorial, as you can see, I am just playing around with the settings. You can do according to what you see and how you feel like, what kind of style you're looking for. So I'm just going to go quickly with these settings, and then once I'm happy with this, I'm just going to go and click on them 3 horizontal lines that you can see. But before I do that, I can just check before and after, which is another great feature within Affinity Photo 2, just to see how the image looks like before and after. And as you can see, it's quite bright. I just want to probably add a bit more contrast or maybe play around with it. So yeah, this is really fun feature within Affinity Photo 2. And one thing that I like about this is that whatever changes that you apply, you can see that in real time. You don't have to click on apply and then see those changes. You can then just see if you're happy with it. Obviously, depending on the spec of your PC or laptop. So yeah, going through with all of these, and yeah, and there you go. I've clicked on 3 horizontal line and add presets. Now I can rename my presets. You can have more than one, as you saw in the beginning of this video. So I'm going to call it Bright Dull Look version 1. Don't know why, but that's the thing that came in my mind. But you can come up with anything. And once I'm happy with it, I can click on Develop and I can readjust further if I need to. And that is it, basically. You can create presets as many as you want, and you can then save it. You can also do these for noise and other settings as well. You can create presets for that within Affinity Photo 2. If you want me to go through with that one as well, we can look at that in the next section in more details. Also, I will show you how you can create your own LUT or LUT within Affinity Photo 2. So LUT is something that we can discuss further, what it's about, etc. So I hope you like this tutorial. It's a short, simple tutorial just to go through with you on how you can create your own presets within Affinity Photo 2. And you can then apply the same settings on all your images. The idea is that it helps you for you not to go through all the settings for each images. You can then readjust some parts of your image depending on the image itself. So guys, please make sure to hit that like and hope to see you on the next one. Peace out.